Perfectly prepares 2 to 8 cups of any variety of cooked rice. Simple, one-touch operation with automatic keep warm. Improved steam vent and water reservoir. Great for soups, jambalaya, chili and so much more. Easy to clean, non-stick removable inner pot. Includes rice measuring cup and serving spatula. Enjoy easy home cooking with the Aroma 8-cup, cooked, cool touch rice cooker and food steamer. Restaurant quality rice. Healthy meals. Delicious one-pot dishes. Prepare all this and more at the flip of a switch. Aroma takes the cook out of home cooking, turning kitchen time into your time. Help the kids with homework, get creative at playtime or pick up that novel you've been waiting to dive into. All while delivering hot, hearty and healthy meals the entire family will love. This convenient cooker's compact capacity perfectly cooks 2 to 8 cups of any variety of rice. Once the rice has finished, it will automatically switch to keep warm so there's no need for monitoring or stirring. It's also perfect for oatmeal, chili, soups and so much more. And when the cooking is done, the inner cooking pot and all accessories remove for easy cleanup in the dishwasher. Rice measuring cup and serving spatula included. Top reviews from the United States. Makes great rice. I grew up using an Aroma rice cooker and now that I've moved into my first house, I got the same brand. I love it. It's easy to use, easy to clean. I recommend hand washing the bowl. If you put it in the dishwasher you're liable to get rice stuck to it which is very difficult to remove. It also damages the inner surface. I also recommend not opening the lid as soon as it's done cooking, let it sit 5 minutes for perfect rice. Also, when adding water, you'll want to put the water exactly on the line. A little too much makes squishy rice, a little too little and the rice will be crunchy. Excellent rice cooker.